What's all that screeching? Got a new and exciting noise, haven't we, in your repertoire? You can do it again? You can do it again? You do it again? Can you screech for me, baby? What noise does a cat make? What noise does a cat make? What noise does a monkey make? What noise does a giraffe make? What noise does a fish make? That's quite right, they didn't make any noise. Good job. What noise does a dinosaur make? Go on. What noise does a dinosaur make? They didn't make any noise either because they're extinct. That's quite right. What noise does a dog make? That's right. Probably. Very ill dog. Ah, good boy. Good boy. 12 weeks old today, aren't you? Yeah, you're 12 weeks old. You're going to be an old man. Yeah, you're going to be 3 months old next week, aren't you? 3 months. That's where the fun starts. I mean, he's kind of getting fun now, but it'll be even more fun next week. And then on. Isn't it? Isn't it, honey bunny? Yeah. Okay, I'll see you later.